So now the balance is $2,606. So from 200 to 2,600, yeah, that one is more than 1,250%. Yeah, I repeat, more than 1,200%. Yeah, in 2 months. Yeah, this is real trade. You can see live, raw. Yeah, I recommend IC market raw account. Yeah, because the spread and slippage is very good. Yeah, I can see you the detail report. Yeah, you can email me if you want to see this detail report. Yeah, this is transparent. You can see what EA I use, and yeah, I add some EA after I have some more fun. Yeah. Okay, this is the chart. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I start from, yeah, $208. Yeah, 200. Yeah, $200. And I test withdrawal. Yeah, I want to test withdrawal 100. So actually the profit already, yeah, more than the balance, actually 2,700 if I didn't take the withdrawal 100. Yeah, awesome. So from 200 I get 2005. Yeah, profit. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, I put in my video in the past what EA I use. Yeah, I use US 30 killer, and I use top bottom EA. Yeah, top bottom EA is very good in ICM. Yeah, I start from very small 0.1, then I increase the lot. Yeah, 0.0, uh, I increase to 0.5 now. You can see. Yeah, wait a second, top bottom EA 0.1. I think now I increased to 0.5 already. Yeah, US 30 killer. Yeah, and also news killer when there is news. Yeah, uh, I use news killer. So this is three main EA I use. Yeah, this is top bottom. Yeah, I increased to 0.5 now. Yeah, you can see $14, $13. Okay, and I added FTMO killer. Yeah, I added also now index trader, but the result is not quite good. I will see for a few days. Yeah, so after almost 2 months, yeah, about 2 months, I can increase the small capital $200 to, yeah, 2,700. Yeah, so 2,500 in profit. Yeah, this is the year that I use. Yeah, I recommend this normal broker. Yeah, if you want to use normal broker, because uh, prop firm usually they increase the spread and slippage